What's going on, guys? Mick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is doing some preventative maintenance to the car. So normally I would always do cosmetics first and then just start, going around the car, seeing what needs to be done. But with this, I'm just going to do it right from the start. So I've got my brand new charge pipe here. So it's full aluminium, just like all the upgraded ones, because if you do know about the M135 engine, even just all BMWs in general, actually, all their charge pipes are actually made from like plastic. Over time, it gets like brittle, and then even under like stock boost, these charge pipes will literally just blow up. It happened to my mate's car when I was actually cruising with him. So yeah, I just obviously don't want that to happen. So this is the first thing of the preventative maintenance series that I'm going to do. So here it is. I purchased this from AliExpress. As usual, the links will be in the description. So as you can hear, full aluminium. Got that there. And you've got the two clamps. You got this piece here that obviously connects both of them. It's like hard rubbery silicone piece. And then the second part. And it's even got like a MEF port as well. So yeah. In terms of like the installation process, you'd obviously carry over your normal sensor. You'll take off so that you'll see some clips on the original ones, literally silver clips, and also the seal as well, the main seal. So it's rubber seal goes in there, like a rubber gasket seal thing. But yeah, you'll just be transferring that off the original charge pipe. So guys, what I'm going to do now is head over to the garage and then we're going to get this put on. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Yes guys, so ignore the football behind, but yeah, here is the main bit of the charge pipe. Where am I? What am I doing? Yeah, so it's just this plastic piece here. So that little clip there, that silver clip, was literally what I was on about in the previous clip, that you need to transfer across. So obviously we need to, well, on these M55s it's a ball ache to do it, like try and reach in. So it's always best to just jack up the car and then you can go in because it connects to the actual intercooler itself. But yeah, we're gonna obviously get this lifted up and then we'll be able to crack on with it. So stock ones now off, and obviously we just need to transfer that clip there and that clip down to the new one, and just getting the sensor transferred as well. But this is actually broke, would you believe it? Classic M135. So as you can see,
no problem.
Thank you, man.
Welcome.
Charge pipe is now on. Solid metal. Just see it, just there. And obviously the tip of it there, but it's all done. Tested, no air leaks or anything, so yeah, it's perfect. Now, I'm just gonna do my oil pan gasket, gearbox service, and I think I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, my baffled sump, which I've already got, so I've got the MMR one. So yeah, once that's done, we can up the power as well. And with that MMR sump, we can finally go on track, because me and Tim Williams, you probably said it if you're into BMWs. I've actually been speaking to him about track days, but yeah, I'm gonna go on one soon. So yeah, guys, I'll leave it at that. Really happy finally in. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, guys.